Ciao ragazzi! So here we are. This would be the part in the class where you all get up and get the whiteboards and do all of that little commotion. And sometimes I say to myself, they're so noisy. And now, during COVID-19, I am here missing all that noise. So I will still try to do this with you because I find this to be a really good activity. So this is what I will ask you on a sheet of paper. Write your answers. Of course, you could totally just copy the answers and show me that you did it. However, you could actually try it. Either way, I feel you're still learning. I prefer if we really do pretend we're doing a whiteboard activity. Vai a Firenze domani? Answer this question. Vai a Firenze domani? So here we have a location, right? But you don't want to repeat Firenze in your answer. So this is the answer. Ci vado, sì. Ci vado. I go there. Ci vado. Ci sono fiori nel tuo giardino? Here you're not substituting anything. Here we're reviewing existence, right? Are there flowers in your garden? Ci sono fiori nel tuo giardino? Sì. Ci sono. Pensi alla scuola? Do you think about school? Pensi alla scuola? Pensare a. Sì, ci penso. Or it could be no, non ci penso. Whichever one. Ci penso. Sei dalla nonna? Are you at nonna's house? Sei dalla nonna? Are you at grandma's house? Sì, sono dalla nonna, right? So we don't want to repeat dalla nonna. So, sì, ci sono. Ci sono. I am there by nonna, at nonna's house. Sì, ci sono. Vuoi andare a scuola? Normally the answer would be no, but considering that we are during the COVID-19, maybe the answer is yes. So now you have the verb andare a scuola. You have a location. So oftentimes with the location you have to be, to go, to come. Va bene? Sì, voglio andarci. I wonder how many of you remember that. Remember, when you have an infinitive, the location changes. It is true, you could say ci voglio andare. I know. But you know I like you to learn this one because this trick is for every type of pronoun. So if you learn this one, you don't have to learn all the exceptions. Credi ai fantasmi? Do you believe in ghosts? Credi ai fantasmi? Ci credo. It could be sì, ci credo, no, non ci credo, depending. Puoi pensare alla cena? Can you think about dinner? Puoi pensare alla cena? So pensare a, right? Puoi pensare alla cena? Notice I did it again. Potere wants the infinitive. Volere, potere, dovere, amare. Those verbs conjugate and then they're followed by a verb, which is an infinitive. Sì, posso pensarci. Posso pensarci. This one is advanced, so we didn't do ne yet. That'll be next week, but I just can't resist. Here we go. Quanti libri ci sono in classe? Cool! Ce ne sono 20. We put the ci and the ne together, but we'll have to do this one again when we'll do ne. Vai a studiare dopo. So a studiare is not a location, right? You go to do something. But this too can be substituted with ci. Vai a studiare dopo? Write your answer. Sì, ci vado, ci vado. Vai a Roma domani? So it's andare again, but now we do have a location. So this is the most straightforward type. Vai a Roma domani? Sì. Ci vado. I go there. You don't want to repeat a Roma, right? It's going to be fluid. Ci vado. Vuoi andare al mercato? Tricky. Vuoi andare al mercato? So this one's about the location. So we know al mercato is a location. Sorry, this question's about the location of the pronoun and the use of ci with a location. Yay! I didn't even do that on purpose. Voglio andarci. Look how cool though. We had 4 words at the top one, and then we answered with 2 words. That was very efficient. Tu credi a Babbo Natale? Do you believe in Santa? Tu credi a Babbo Natale? Sì or no, depending. Ci credo. Ci credo. See how convenient this is? Ci credo. So let me know how you're doing. Make sure you have written this down on a piece of paper and take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. And this was your assignment. Ciao!